Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make the irresistible chocolate cake with the Betty Crocker's cake mix. Now listen, if you love easy baking but still want that homemade taste, then this video is definitely for you. So stay with me till the end because I'll show you different ways how to make the chocolate cake taste better. I will show you a few simple tricks to make this cake extra special. Stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe, like and follow. Thank you. Today, I have turned a simple cake mix into something super soft, rich, and irresistible. If you love chocolate, just comment chocolate right now in the comment section. And if you've loved the recipe, just click the subscription button. Shout out, thank you.